Hello guys, today in this video I'm going to tell you how to convert your HEIC images to JPEG format. Okay, so I'm going to provide you easiest method. Okay, so you can type on any, you can open your any browser and you can type like online HEIC to JPEG. Okay, and once you get results you can choose anyone, first one or second one. Love Image is also a very good website, and this website is also very good, like HEIC to jpeg.com. This is also a very amazing website, and you can select this one, and you need to select your image. You can also click on this option, like over here you can click on this option, or you can directly select your image and you can directly you can drag your image over here. You can see over here, and you can see like it will take some time, approx 3 to 5 seconds, it depends on your image size, and it will convert your image into JPEG. Okay, HEIC into JPEG, and you have to wait only for less than a minute. Okay, and you can see now you can download your image, or you can see the image, and that's it. Okay, so by using this method you can easily convert your HEIC image to JPEG. So if you have any questions you can make a comment. I will reply you very soon, and thanks for watching this video. Bye bye.